Hi guys, thank you so much for returning for another video and welcome if you're new. Before we jump into it, please click the red subscribe button below and make sure you click the bell next to it and choose all. That will ensure that you never miss one of my uploads. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it and leave me a comment. I love talking to you guys. Now let's get into it.
Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me.
So as you can see, I'm in my office and this area definitely doesn't get too bad because it's not one of our most frequently used areas. It does, however, need a makeover, and I'm kind of glad that it does because I can take you guys along with me and it'll make some great content. But I'm just dusting, wiping some things down. I like to use Clorox wipes on the keyboard, and I just kind of used them on the arm of our office chair. So I'm basically just tidying the space, and I was in a real rush today. So I pretty much was just ripping through the house and trying to get the things done that needed attention.
Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me.
I wanted to point out that I'm using Indust, and I'm also using it on this chair. It works great on any surface, and so I just wanted to mention that don't think you're limited to wood or hard surfaces with this product. It does a great job on a lot of different things. As I mentioned earlier, I want to redo this complete space. I definitely want a new desk and a new chair. And this side over here, this is actually a printer stand. I no longer have a printer, and so it's just collecting knickknacks and things like that. So I do like to keep it wiped down and just try to keep things as dust-free as possible. But you can see on this side of the room that it needs a lot of help. I thought it would be fun to slow-mo my clumsy little moment for you here.
Trouble in your mind. Are you doing this just to test me? I'm bad at handling this type of thing. Why I don't get it, you say it's a man thing. Babe, I wanna be around. I just wanna make your heart sing. You're not letting me get through to you. If you let your gun down, baby.
Do you guys shred a lot of things that you get in the mail? I am so paranoid about that kind of stuff. So I would say about 90% of what comes in our house gets shredded. That's why I'm always emptying this thing.
Trouble in your mind. you just tell me? I just wanna be your bride, wanna be. I wanna give our love away. You're not letting me, yeah, get through to you. Yeah, if you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I will love to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been before.
Moving over to the guest bedroom, as you can imagine, it's almost in pristine condition because it's not getting used. But as with anything, it does collect some dust. So I'm just wiping some things down in here and just wanting to make sure that it stays nice and dust free. And eventually we will have people in here again.
You know it's creeping up on me. This frostbite gets deep into my bloodstream. Just trying to make the most of it. Babe, I miss your body. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near, come close. 'Cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come close. Get under my skin. Give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while. Stay by my side. I'm hoping for some brighter days. 'Cause I'm falling in the snow, it's getting knee deep. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near, come close. 'Cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come close. Get under my skin. Give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while. Stay by my side. November gets cold. December gets darker. Let me know when you're home. 'Cause you're lighting a spark in me. Gets pretty lonely. I get so lonely. So stay by my side. Come close.
Now I'm moving on to the kitchen to get that tidied up. It wasn't too bad. I just needed to get some things off the countertops, wash up a few things, and just wipe down parts of the countertop that I had gotten dirty. And that didn't take me hardly any time at all. Thank goodness.
Stay by my side. Side. Wanna be by your side. Close. Just for a while. Stay by my side.
When you guys are in a rush and you need to get something done, or if by chance you're leaving your house and you need to go somewhere, what are the things that you absolutely have to take care of? Like, it'll drive you crazy if you don't. I don't like to have things left on the countertops in the kitchen or in the sink. And I really like to get any chores done, like as you'll see a little bit later, folding laundry and things like that. So I'm just curious.
That I find like a sweet mountain breeze, in a fragment of my mind. I said, darling, you are all I want for sure. Darling, you give me everything and more. I said, darling, ooh, yeah, girl, you know I miss you. Slide talking, girl, you're walking circles through my mind. And it seems like every day just gets better when you're mine. When you love now and forever, for my hurt you are the cure. Like a spring you keep me healthy, with a substance that is pure. And I said, darling, darling, I'm feeling rich although I'm poor. I said, darling, in your arms I feel secure. Darling, darling, ooh, yeah, girl, you know I miss you, baby. You know I miss you. Oh yeah. You know I miss you.
I'm sure it will not surprise you to see me wiping down my nightstands. That's another thing that I like to take care of as often as possible, because just walking by and seeing all those fingerprints, it will drive you crazy. Do any of you guys have mirror furniture that's like that, where you're constantly having to wipe it down? Again, totally okay with it. I've mentioned that before, but just keep that in mind if you buy any mirror furniture, that you are always going to have to wipe it down. And I'm just using my eCloth Duo to knock it out quickly.
Darling, give me everything and more. I said, darling, darling, ooh, yeah, girl, you know I miss you. Oh, baby, oh, you know I miss you, darling. You know I miss you, baby.
If you aren't already, please go over to Instagram and follow me. I'm crystal_renee_lifestyle. I keep things up to date over there, so in between videos, we can definitely chat and see what's going on with each other. And I think that's going to do it for this video. I was able to squeeze in some vacuuming, which is also a thing I love to do. Thank you guys so much for spending the time with me, for watching this video, giving it a thumbs up, subscribing, commenting. All of those things help my channel so much. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
To think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet.